Hey guys, how's it going? Now, obviously, the biggest competitor to Snapchat is Instagram. However, one of the most unique features about Snapchat is its integration of Bitmoji that allows you to have an avatar of yourself. Well, of course, Instagram wasn't going to stay behind for long, and Instagram has rolled out its new avatar feature inside the app. Basically, the feature allows you to create and share personalized avatars of yourself on the platform. But how do you actually do that? Well, that's what this video is all about. This is one from Guiding Tech, and in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily create and also use avatars inside Instagram. Let's get started. Alright, so first things first, let's start by talking about how to actually create your own Instagram avatar. Now, the process remains the same on both Android and iOS. Now, first thing to note is to ensure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Now, open your Instagram profile from the bottom navigation bar and tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, choose Settings to access Instagram's settings page. Now, tap on Account and choose Avatar. From here, you'll get an editor interface which is quite similar to what Bitmoji offers to customize your avatar. Basically, here you can tweak your skin tone, hair, face, eye, eyebrow, body outfits, ear piercing, and even add hearing devices to the avatar. I mean, it's basically everything that you would need to create a virtual version of yourself, or basically an avatar. What's more is that Instagram also offers you a variety of templates to start with, which basically makes the entire process a lot more easier. Now, once you've done customizing your avatar, just press done at the top right and then choose save changes to basically save your avatar. Alright, so now that your personal avatar on Instagram has been created, here's how to actually use it for stories or DMs. To use your Instagram avatar on stories, open the story creation UI and tap on the sticker icon at the top right corner. Now, from the list of stickers, just choose avatar to access your avatar. Now, based on your character, you will see different stickers generated. All you have to do is just select the sticker and just place it inside your story. Once done, just tap on the Your Story button to add the image to your Instagram story. Moving on to DMs, just open the chat window with any profile and then tap on the sticker icon in the text box. From here, choose avatar to view the emojis based on your avatar. Again, just choose the sticker that you wish to send and that's it. Now, the other person will basically receive your avatar, and this basically adds a personal touch to your conversations. And well, that was it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is One from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.